Hi Crafty Friends, this is Sylvia and today I have a special guest, my lovely niece who's here visiting.
Hi.
Olivia.
Hi. Hi. We're doing an unboxing video.
Yes, we're going to do an unboxing video and we're also going to show
an art unveiling.
Yes, the things that we've been doing for these 2 days. We've been doing lots of art, so please excuse our hands. Show them your hands. We just washed them.
The blue still isn't going on.
But it's okay. All right, what's the first thing we're going to open?
Okay. Etsy Just Minder Business. It's 4.50 cents each.
It's okay. It's okay. It's $4.50 each.
Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner.
Yes. And it's from my buddy Scarlett. She's very sweet. And she has an Etsy shop called Just Mind Your Business, like Olivia said. And on YouTube, it's Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner.
And I add a little antennas.
Yes. And she always sends little. Yes. So Olivia is going to take everything out.
Oh, and here's the candy bowl.
Well, if there's candies. Okay, let's put the candy bowl. As you can see, guys, Olivia and Grandma have been
Num num.
yes, eating the candy.
Ooh, 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 I like this one.
Okay, that you're gonna need the scissors, maybe. Okay, let's take everything out like this. Well, while Olivia does that, I'm gonna read what it says here. Okay, I already removed my the private parts.
You already have this one.
Thank you for yet another order, Sylvia. You have become a great friend. Love, Scarlett. Love you back, Scarlett. One of these days, Scarlett's gonna move to Texas. Ha ha ha.
Don't you already have this one? I'm gonna go check.
I do not. I have a stitch. Oh no, is it Stitch?
You do have it.
Is it the same one?
Yes.
Let me see. Well, well, you know what, Olivia? You can have one.
Yay.
Okay, so
the new one.
So now we have two of those. Okay, let's put the tissue paper in the garbage. We'll just throw it there for now.
Garbage fire.
Yes.
And
you might need a pair of scissors.
no scissors.
Okay, lots of little goodies in here, guys. And while Olivia opens
it is chocolate. I love chocolate.
Oops.
I like this one.
She always sends little cards. I love this. Kindness matters. One kind word can change someone's entire day. And then it tells you different things to do.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. Be grateful. Be grateful. Bring someone a souvenir and be polite online. Make someone laugh. I love these. Thanks for your support. I appreciate you, Scarlett. And this is her card.
Okay, I'm doing scissors.
Just Mind Your Business by Scarlett Handley, and she is the owner.
Okay, come on. Why won't these? Why these are so hard to open?
Well, that's if she wants to make sure. Gentle. There's no rush. Okay. Careful with a pair of scissors. Let's see this one. Oh wow, I love this one, Scarlett. It's a little chocolate bar and it's got a little pink bow. Let me bring it up so everybody can see it. And also
this one's cool.
Stitch. Okay. And Olivia's gonna bring that one up.
I can't find the way.
It's right there. If you put it in your hand, they can see it better. Open your hands. And that, do you know who that is?
It is, okay, let me
Look at her.
It is Alice.
Yeah, Alice.
Some flowers, clocks, more flowers.
Yeah, but show the people, show them.
Cookies, cups, and the cat on a cup.
So it's from Alice in
Wonderland.
Okay.
And
okay, open another one.
my chair. Okay.
I'll open this one for you.
No, that's my job. No, what are you doing? No.
Well, I'm just gonna cut it for you. That way it's easier.
This is a cupcake.
Ooh, and I'm hungry.
2 sweets.
Yep. Because Titi loves chocolate, and so do you.
This is a cupcake, not chocolate, Titi.
It's okay. Let's see. Ooh. There's something. And this is a very pretty cupcake with the strawberry on top. And these are all Coverminders.
Last but not least,
yes,
it is a 3, 2, 1. Dogs come in our lives and leave paw prints in our hearts.
On our hearts.
I love this.
Yes. Look at that. So true. Because my little guy, Milo, he's in doggy heaven.
Scarlett
And Ian.
A scrunchie.
Yeah, that's for the hair.
This one of the candies that Grandma
So the
stole
candies go in the
last time.
cookie, cookie.
Ooh, diamonds!
And she always sends me a friendship bracelet.
Diamonds.
This is a friendship bracelet. The first time she sent it to me, I didn't know what it was.
Diamonds.
So she had to tell me. You want to put it on?
Sure.
Yeah, let me show you how it works. And then you're tying it here. Well, it has to be in the camera so people can see it.
Ooh, there's a gnome. Oh, no,
Hey, show everyone the
So there is brown crystals, ice cream with two piggies, alien, and drink of
it's a
coffee
cool
with
alien. Oh, okay. And then it's got a little ice cream.
And there's a nail file.
A nail filer. You never know when you need one. Washi tape. Wax.
And Scoopy thingy do.
And these are diamonds. Okay? And
that's
this
the
is a placer. All right, so let's put all these beautiful things aside because we have lots of things to open.
No,
Olivia, can you bring the garbage can closer so we can throw away all this little papers away? Or else we're not going to have room in here. Everything's falling in there? Okay.
I know exactly where to put it on.
Just put it right there because we're going to show them again later.
I'm just going to put it beside us.
Right there. Okay, the next one. This one is from Amazon.
And Ozone. And it was
It was $10.
$10.99.
$10.99. Okay.
We've got a mystery thing. No, I don't know.
Maybe.
That's a bunch of stuff.
Okay, these are all placers. These are all just placers.
That's a lot of places.
Right here. Why don't you take the pen out while I put the placers back?
And there is this very special blue wax.
Yes. I don't know how many placers there are in here, but there's a lot. Probably like 13. Are you going to open the pen?
Oh, yeah. Whoa. This pen is like...
Suave. You don't have to go so fast.
How to do that though?
Gentle, gentle.
Okay. This is
Yeah. Just show them the beautiful
a
pen.
manual. And this is the pen. It has shells inside and glitter.
And glitter.
Glitter.
Uh-huh. And it's got beautiful, beautiful seashells. See that, guys? See how it's
And
shiny?
there's something marked gift. And it's
Okay.
2 more placers and a replacer thingy bee.
Okay, so the next one. This one's empty. That goes in the garbage.
Let's do...
No, the other Amazon first.
We've got some... Okay, let's open the pen first.
Did you say how much it costs?
Oh, yes. The same as the last pen.
I think it's $10.99, and it's also from Amazon, and it comes with 2 wax, and also the same thing, placers.
I can't open this.
Okay.
Okay, it has more glitter in tiny pink flowers.
It's absolutely beautiful. Isn't that
I
beautiful?
like them. Oh, and TT, why don't you show them your collection?
No, I'm not going to do that today, baby. Too
You
many.
should.
Okay, so the next thing
And
from
the
Munimade.
last thing is Munimade.
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 It's from Munimade. It's $5.
And this is the cutout receipt. There's a thank you card. Sylvia, thank you so much for ordering from a small business. It is my wish that you can bring you even just the slightest bit of joy and happiness
Today.
today.
Enjoy your new goodies.
Munimade.
Yep.
Here you go. See the card.
Yes.
See the card?
Yes. And I'll show them the sticker. That's a cool
It
sticker.
is a hat that says love on it, and there's a big heart.
Very cool cap.
Is this like another cover
And it says love on it.
Is this another Coverminder?
It's a Coverminder, yep. And if you go over there, I ordered 3 other more. Bring them. They're like this. They're hearts. Well, let's show this one first.
Whoa.
Isn't that pretty?
It's a heart.
Uh-huh.
And there's a
Bring it up so they can see it.
In it.
I think it's a pumpkin.
Oh,
It's a pumpkin. Yeah. Why don't you go get the other 3 that are over there?
Which 3?
You'll see. They look like this one.
Oh my God.
Okay, Olivia.
I still can't find them. They're hearts.
They're hearts. Yeah.
Hearts.
They look like this, sort of.
Is this one?
I think there's 2 or 3.
Not helping.
Okay.
Is this one?
Excuse me, guys. Very quickly.
I really can't find them. Oh, I found them. They were on the other side.
Yes, there you go.
Why didn't you put them with the other hearts? That's hard.
Can you please pick up the pencils?
Pretty. Yes.
Just put them here because we're going to show them again.
Okay.
Don't put them together because the magnet.
One of them has this flower with pink glitter surrounding it. This like whoosh of pink and white glitter with this pink cat and a heart.
Okay. So we got 4 of them, and all 4 of them are from Munimade. They're beautiful.
And
Okay, now let's show them what you've been working on, Olivia. Well,
yes, the comparison.
well, it's not a comparison. It's just you made yours, and Titi made a different one.
Mine. Titi has her own video. Check it out.
Well, I already did this one, but I added because I felt it needed something, so I added some flowers. But they already saw mine, so why don't you show yours?
It is a white background sign.
Where did you buy this?
Hobby Lobby.
And we used paint, white paint.
It is wood paint.
Uh-huh.
We use letters from Hobby Lobby too. We bought these flowers at Hobby Lobby.
And what did we use? What did you use to color the letters?
Sticky things.
Well, you colored this with
Marker. I colored it with marker.
Yes, it was a Copic marker, right? And then you use the stickles.
Stickles.
I think it was turquoise.
Yeah.
Okay, absolutely beautiful. And Olivia, what are you gonna do with the ribbon?
I'm just gonna.
It's so she can hang it on her. You said you're gonna hang it on your door.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'll connect all around it.
Oops, I just moved the camera. Sorry. And then show them what else you made.
I made a card because my birthday's coming around. So it's my 10th birthday party. It's gonna be a luau.
It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be birthday girl. And what did you write here?
Listen, seriously, girl. No boys.
No boys.
No
boys are
boys.
not allowed to this
No
party.
boys.
Okay, and you still have to work on it, right? Because you said you were gonna color these, right?
Yes.
We just didn't have time. All right, and then what else did you make?
I made an O because obviously my name is Olivia right there. I made this pretty O.
And what did you use?
And I used extra diamond beads and some sticker diamonds at Hobby Lobby.
And these have adhesive, which is easier.
Yeah. And it was just easy to stick it on. So if you want to do this, just go to Hobby Lobby. This is cardboard. Just take a cardboard, color this with marker outside too.
Ooh, one dropped.
Yeah.
There you go.
There. Not the best quality, but it's still good.
I think it looks brilliant.
Do whatever you want with it.
It's beautiful. Okay, so let's put everything here. Now we got the O. We got your Olivia. We got her birthday card. And bring out the stuff, the Coverminders. Well, just bring out the new one we got today. We're gonna put them all out here. And we need the pens.
TT.
Well, no, I'm not finished. But this is actually, well, let's show it. This is actually from Scarlett, and Scarlett sent me this, and I've been working on it. Scarlett, every day a little bit is taking me forever. The little bear has a little shirt, and I still have to add a little pants because it looks like it's in the nude. All right, so let's put the little bear here there too. Okay, and that's about it, guys. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye bye.